Hi, good day everyone. Welcome to the show. My name's Nichols. Focus completely on the life you have, but paradoxically, be okay with the idea that you might have to give it up or it might get lost, and be 100% confident that you can go and create another life if you need to, using your principles. So practically speaking, this means developing networks, it means saving money, it means making good decisions and developing transferable skills so that you can always walk away from your current life into another one, if you need to. Now this helps your current life as well as giving options for other possibilities and makes you getting set up for opportunities in the future. Because instead of feeling trapped in your current employment, your current life, you feel like you're choosing to be there, but you're also setting yourself up for opportunities in the future. So it's the best of both worlds. It allows you to be completely committed to your current life, your current work and everything that you do, 110%, 100%, but also sets you up the best possible way to take opportunities and take those sort of twists and turns and paths that might present themselves in life as well. Doing this also means that you're pushing harder and pushing people around you harder because you see opportunities ahead rather than feeling trapped. You're seeing those opportunities ahead that you're preparing for in possible lives yet to come. So it allows you to really stretch yourself and do more and be more because you see hope for a better future that you're driving towards. And you see that the vehicle to do that is your current life, where you want to give that 110%, but also allow yourself to steer it properly by obviously having that strategic aspect at the end of the day where you really put a lot of time and effort into making sure that you understand your goals, your aims, and also your strategic steps to get to those goals and aims. So essentially you're developing these different courses of action for different lives at the bookends of the day and making sure that those courses of actions are separated from your current life and really focusing on them. And so instead of thinking about what you're giving up and the risks you might take to achieve that life you want, you're instead just focusing on what you would need to get there. All right then. Well, thanks for listening. I hope you got something out of that, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.